I need help with the data. I can't do my job without the data.
Did someone say data? Well, you're in luck. The community science saleswomen are here, and we have data. 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 We have a big job. In Arizona, we have 114,000 square miles, and we need environmental data.
ADEQ's community science volunteers are expanding their environmental data collection to include
air, water, and land
across all of ADEQ sections.
Not only does that help get you involved in community science, but it also saves the state
over $5 million. That all sounds great, but what about the data?
We're cranking out thousands of environmental data records. We are talking out of this wild results with over 30 volunteer groups.
But don't take it from us. Let's hear it from them.
Arizona Water Watchers has collected 42,700 water data records.
205 wet-dry events. 3,000 submissions have been added to the Arizona Water Watch app.
A total of 7 water body segments have been delisted.
71,000 pounds of trash have been removed from our nature areas. Let's move on to our newest addition to the community science crew, the one and only Air Quality Ambassadors.
That's right, folks. They're the newest volunteer group on the scene, and they help us collect data about the air that we
This
breathe.
program started in February of 2024. We've collected over 1,600 air samples.
It's a win! 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 For Arizona! My name is Megan Smart. I'm the Senior Scientist and Education Coordinator at ADEQ. And I just wanted to take a moment to thank these amazing volunteers who spend their free time collecting water quality data, air data, and help protect our lands. Without them, this program wouldn't be possible.
Guys, should I go? Where'd everyone go?